Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to cilinixfxcapital. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Gala. I wanted to do an update on that, obviously, since we have had quite a bearish week last week, together with the entire market, by the way. But Gala has been hit quite extensively, had a massive bearish breakout through 2.5 cents, and then afterwards it basically just continued. There barely was any bullish momentum. Now we have just found some support at 2.3 cents. As you can see, historically, that's been a very reliable low. But in this video, like Bitcoin is back at its low areas, we'll talk about whether we can actually hold that level or whether it's more likely to drop down to our next support level, which would be very, very low. But it would be between 2.15 and 2.2 cents. And it is possible that we'll drop down there. So we'll talk about that in this video. And we'll just, I'll give you what I think is most likely, but altogether I must say, and that's a bit of a disclaimer, that it's the end of the week and it's also the last Friday of the month. Those are usually very, very volatile and therefore also unpredictable. Like last time around, for example, this Friday the 16th, we were very, very bearish right here. All of the fundamentals were bearish. And then all of a sudden, some Friday, we started getting a lot of bullish moves, all right? And it's usually like the Mondays and the Fridays where we get the biggest moves. So I'm going to give you more of an analysis. I'll tell you what I think is most likely, but it's mostly an analysis and a bit of prediction, all right? So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, I have my own signals group as well, in which I send daily trading signals. We just closed another great week. If you want to join that, check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment, and there's some other great perks as well. But now onto Gala. So what we're seeing right now, first of all, in terms of market circumstances for Gala, which is actually pretty important to look at, is that the volume is very, very low. That's not great, because what we want to see is that we get a bullish breakout above our main resistance right now, which is 2.35 cents. So that's 0.0239. That's our main resistance. It's a key level, and it's a 236 VIP. Always, if we've broken above that, we've always returned to 2.5 cents at least again. So that's what we want to see. Now that's only possible if we have volume. So that needs to go up. And the only time of day in which that could happen is today, all right? Or the only time of the week in which that could happen soon is today or Monday. But I would say it needs to happen today. So what we're going to see today is whether we can break above 2.39 cents or not. I would say in normal market circumstances, like if this was a Wednesday, I would say it's most likely that we break above that and get to 2.5 cents. So I'm also going to say that like purely technically, that's the most likely scenario. Now, so that we can actually recover a bit. And then if you zoom out, I mean, Gala has also been in one big consolidation here, and we're now, or kind of at least, and we're now at the bottom of that consolidation, right? So we would be able to get up from here, you would say. I have my price alert set up at least, so that if we do break above that, then I'll probably go long. But on the other hand, we haven't seen weakness from Bitcoin like this basically since this Monday when we opened very, very bearish. Like if Bitcoin today drops down to 28,800 and 28,400, which is a big support level here below us, right here. If we drop down there, which is possible because it's a Friday, I mean, chances are very, very low that Gala is going to hold 2.3 cents. All right, so that's the big risk of today, and that's also why I'm staying out until I'm getting some confirmation. Because if Bitcoin gets so much bearish momentum, Gala is going to drop down to 2.2 cents. So altogether, be careful. Personally, I would wait for confirmation if you want to trade Gala. Until then, this is, I think, what you need to know. So that's my take on it. If you do have any questions, let me know. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.